Today we'll be discussing the fascinating field of biotechnology and its applications in reproductive biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of natural organisms or living systems in the development of products or services for various applications. Reproductive biotechnology, on the other hand, involves the use of biotechnology processes in the field of reproductive medicine. This field has made significant strides in the last few decades and has revolutionized the way we think about human reproduction. One of the most significant contributions of reproductive biotechnology has been the development of assisted reproductive technologies, or ARTs. ART include a range of techniques used to assist couples in achieving pregnancy when traditional methods are unsuccessful. These techniques include in vitro fertilization (IVF), intracytoplasmic sperm injection (ICSI), and gamete intrafallopian transfer (GIFT), among others. In vitro fertilization (IVF) is perhaps the most well-known of these techniques. It involves the fertilization of an egg by sperm outside the body in a laboratory dish. A fertilized embryo is then implanted in the uterus. IVF has resulted in the birth of millions of babies since its inception over 40 years ago. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection (ICSI) is similar to IVF, but in this technique, a single sperm is injected into an egg to achieve fertilization. ICSI is often used in cases where sperm quality is poor, and traditional IVF has not resulted in a pregnancy. Gamete intrafallopian transfer (GIFT) is another technique used in ARTs. In this technique, eggs are removed from the ovaries, mixed with sperm, and inserted into the fallopian tube. This allows fertilization to occur naturally inside the body. Another significant contribution of biotechnology to reproductive medicine is the ability to screen embryos for genetic abnormalities. Pre-implantation genetic testing (PGT) involves the screening of embryos for genetic defects before implantation. This technique has been used to avoid the transmission of genetic diseases to offspring and has allowed couples with a family history of genetic disorders to have healthy children. Additionally, biotechnology has played a key role in the preservation of fertility. Many cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy, can damage reproductive organs and result in infertility. However, advances in biotechnology have allowed for the preservation of eggs, sperm, and embryos before cancer treatment. These preserved cells can be used in the future to achieve a pregnancy. Finally, biotechnology has also led to the development of contraception that is more reliable and has fewer side effects than traditional methods. Hormonal contraception, such as the birth control pill, has been available for decades. However, the development of long-acting reversible contraceptives (LARCs), such as intrauterine devices (IUD) and contraceptive implants, has made family planning more accessible and has resulted in a decrease in unintended pregnancies. In conclusion, biotechnology has made significant contributions to the field of reproductive medicine. From assisted reproductive technologies to genetic screening and the preservation of fertility, biotechnology has revolutionized the way we think about human reproduction.